Um, let's get started because Saturdays we do tables and we have to make sure that we are using this time, this great time to memorize our practice tables. Let's go step by step. Sami, ready? Ready with the tables, Sami?
Yes, sir.
Table till
Uh,
12, 8, 9,
17,
12, 5,
16,
9, 9,
81,
12, 8,
10, no, 9, 96,
8, 7,
56,
13, 4,
52,
careful, 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 don't fall. 13, 7,
47,
13, 7,
oh, 37, sir, 91, alright,
Wonderful. Wonderful.
91.
91. Okay. Good job. Let's go to Aditi. Aditi, ready with tables? Careful, be careful, very careful, okay? Careful, 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 careful. Alright. Okay. So table till Aditi. Aditi, you are mute. Okay, let's go to. Okay, you can't hear me. Disconnect and join back. Whoever is not able to hear, please disconnect and join. That's the trick. All right. So let's go to Sivakeshwa. Ready? Table till 5, 9 here. 8, 8 here. 12, 9 here. 13, 6 here. I can hear. 13, 6 here. 78. Okay. 9, 9 here.
Sir, I can still hear you.
But I can hear you. Okay. So, Sriyanji, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Okay. Let's go to Mandeep then. Mandeep, ready? Table till
Yes. 12,
8, 9 there.
what?
8, 9 there.
72,
9, 9 there.
84,
7, 5 there.
35,
12, 6 there.
72,
11, 9 there.
99,
12, 9 there. 9, 9 there.
81,
Wonderful. Good job. Let's go to Rayans. Which Rayans? Rayans with blue. Okay. Very careful, very careful. There's water, there's water. Careful. Come here. Okay. 9, 9 there. Rayans. 9, 9 there.
81,
8, 9 there.
72,
12, 5 there.
60,
Yep. Sound more confident. 12, 5 or 60 with a bang. Okay? Alright. 9, 8 there.
72,
That's like it. 12 5 jar.
60.
8 8 jar.
64.
Good job. Let's go to Suhina. Suhina is waiting for her turn. What to do with her? There is some problem with your laptop. Can you increase the volume of your laptop? Increase the volume of your laptop. See if your laptop is muted.
Sorry.
No worries. Okay. So let's go to Suhina. Suhina, table till
13.
13 5 jar.
65.
8 9 jar.
72.
12 8 jar.
12 1 sir.
12 8 jar.
12 8 sir. 96.
8 9 jar.
72.
Nick, I want to see you. You look very cute. On this side. Okay. 13 6 jar.
36 or 78.
8 9 jar.
72.
12 7 jar.
84.
7 7 jar.
49.
Good job. Let's go to Shravani now. Shravani, ready? Say yes. Okay. 12 5 jar. Type it. 8 9 jar. 12 8 jar. 12 8 jar. 9 6 jar. Good job. Let's go to Rayans. The Rayans in yellow. So table till Rayans. Which number?
12.
12. 8 8 jar.
64.
7 9 jar.
63.
7 7 jar.
44.
8 6 jar.
48.
7 7 7 10 jar. 12 9 jar. 11 9 jar. Good job. Yeah, 11 9 99 only. Okay. Now who has not shared the tables on screen? I think it is Ananya, Anaitya, and yeah, only Ananya, Anaitya. Nihit, ready? Okay. What happened? You're okay? You're looking sad. Are you sad? No, right? Okay. Fine. So table till 7, 6 5 here, 7 9 there. 63 with confidence. If it goes wrong, we'll fix it. That's okay. 5 9 there. 4 8 there. 6 7 there.
42.
Good job. Table till
6.
4 4 there.
16.
5 4 there.
20.
4 9 there.
36.
6 8 there.
6. 48.
Good job. 4 9 there. 4 7 there.
48.
5 6 there.
30.
5 8 there.
40.
Good job. Show me your back. This is called patting on the back. Okay? Good job. So, okay, Ananya, where is Aditya? Where did he go? He's coming. Anya, ready?
Yeah.
Table till
Uh,
11. 8 8 ja.
8 to 64.
7 9 ja.
7 times 63.
8 6 ja.
6 is 48.
6 9 ja.
6 9 to 54.
9 9 ja.
81.
8 6 ja.
Huh?
8 6 ja.
48.
11 7 ja.
77.
Good job. Aditya ready?
Yeah.
Table till
11.
9 9 ja.
81.
6 7 ja.
6 7. 42.
8 7 ja.
56.
9 4 ja.
36.
4 9 ja.
36.
8 6 ja.
48.
Good job. Okay. Aditi did not do your table. So now can you hear me okay? Can you hear me okay, Aditi? I can hear you, Aditi girl. No. Then join from either laptop or other phone, okay? Because there seems something wrong at your end. Since everybody else is able to hear me, so I'm assuming there's a problem at your end. Okay? Join from some other device, or else we will start with what we want to learn today, and then we can do table for you tomorrow. That's also fine. Okay? Okay. Now let's see where are some of the kids. I don't see Asher. I don't see. Yes, please. Wait. I don't see Asher and. Okay. Fine. And Aradhya is not here. Aradhya has not joined yet. Okay. All right. So we did table for most of you, and except Aditi. Aditi can do tables tomorrow. I think there's some problem with her laptop. I cannot hear her, or she's not able to hear me either. So let's go to what we want to learn. So in today's class, we want to Nihit here. Tasvik is not here. That's why you said. No. Okay. So in today's class, we are going to learn again adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing of fractions. I know some of you, I know Suina said, no, not again. Is that what you're saying, Suina? No? Or it's okay? It's okay? Yeah. Adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing fractions. That's what we are going to do today. Adding and subtracting fractions is something that you guys already know. But we will do it one more time. And I will make you guys do some problems to see if you guys are clear or not. I'll give you guys 5 minutes for solving this problem. 2 by 6 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Yaditi, can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
You can hear me now? Okay. Let's do Aditi's table quickly. Table till
12.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 9 ja.
81.
6 9 ja.
54.
12 5 ja.
60.
7 6 ja.
42.
12 9 ja.
28.
Good
1
job.
and 8.
Good job. So now we are starting with fractions, addition and subtraction, and then we'll do fraction, multiplication, division also. But fraction, addition, subtraction is something that we have done in the past. I want to know. Where is the notebook? Take it out. I am doing fraction, addition and subtraction together. I want you guys to try solving it. If you know, please solve it. I am giving you guys 2 minutes time, and I'll use that time to get my water bottle. Everybody try solving it in 2 minutes. I'll come back and then I'll solve it if anybody in the class who has any doubt about it.
I don't know how to do it.
What is that?
I don't know how to do it.
Okay.
I asked my dad, but he does not even know how to do it.
Are you guys finding it very hot? It's okay. Is it very hot here?
Yeah.
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 Good news is we'll have an AC tomorrow in the class.
What?
I'm installing an AC for you guys.
Already?
Yeah. I'm installing it tomorrow. I've ordered it, I'll get it tomorrow, and then we'll have an AC so that it doesn't get wet here. Okay. So 2 by 6 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4. That's what I want you guys to calculate and tell me what the answer is. Whoever doesn't know, don't have to stress out. I'm anyway going to solve it and do it for you guys. Silkeswa, do you know how to do it? Huh?
Yeah.
Do it then. Aditi is in the car, so I know it will be difficult for her. How about you, Sani, Ananya, Suhina, Riyans, both the Riyans? Do you know how to do it, Riyans? Riyans in yellow today. Not really. Okay, that's fine. Aditya, football later. Right now we are doing fraction, addition, and subtraction. Okay. Make sure that you are not moving much because floor is slippery. You might fall and get hurt. And I don't want you to get hurt further. Careful. No, not from there. Not from this side. Without going to the wet place. Yeah. Yes, Shanvi. How much is the answer? 5 by 24. Okay. How about you, Ananya?
I think I got it wrong.
No, it's okay. You tell your answer. That's fine. See, that is what. It's okay. You tell me what the answer is. It's fine. Every answer is right. We will figure out where we went wrong. That is what we are here for. That's okay. 0. 0.2. Okay, 0.20. Okay, fine. Anybody else? Yaditi, I know you're in the car. How are you solving it in the car? 2 7. But how did you do it? I did not see you solving it.
I just solved it in my head.
Okay, okay. Yep, yes. Tell me.
I think it's 324.
Say that again.
324.
324. Did you do it or you think it is the answer?
I think it's the answer.
Okay, so see my recommendation to everybody is solve the problem and then tell the answer. Be it right or wrong, that's okay. Okay? So if you have solved it, whether it was right or not, that we'll figure out. Okay? And we'll learn. Yep, what is the answer? Little louder. Louder.
1/3.
1/3, okay? And everybody here in the classroom, make sure that you guys are eating well, eating healthy stuff, drinking lot of milk, so that you get stronger. So when you have to say something, you say it loud and clear, okay? When you murmur, how would anybody hear it? No, that's exactly what happens with me. I say, what is the answer? How would I know what exactly you said? Yes, Yanni, you can put your hands down. I got your answer already. Shiva Kesava, what is your answer? 1/3. How about you, Suhina? Suhina, your screen froze. Okay, Sammy, did you give it a shot?
No, so this is what I was confused.
Okay. Now let's stop here. Whoever was working on the problem, stop it there. Now it's your teacher doing it. Nihit, now on the board. Everybody, you also. First thing first, if you have to do fraction, addition or subtraction, what you have to find out is the first thing.
LCM.
LCM. Lowest common multiplier. You have to find out the LCM. Lowest common multiplier. Anybody in the class who doesn't know how to find out LCM? You know how to find out LCM? Riyaz, new Riyaz, do you know how to find out LCM?
No.
No? Okay. Anybody else who doesn't know how to find out LCM? Yaditi.
I don't know.
You don't know how to find out LCM? That is because you are in the car. Once you go home, you will be able to recall. But anyways, I'll explain. Riyaz. Riyaz in blue.
I forgot.
You forgot? Okay. Sammy, do you remember?
Yes,
LCM, how to find out LCM, do you remember? Nihit, do you remember how to find out LCM? Okay. So LCM is nothing but the least or the lowest common multiplier. Now, lowest common multiplier of what? Lowest common multiplier of all the denominators. See, I have this denominator, I have this denominator, I have this denominator. I have to find out that one number which is the lowest common multiplier of all the three. Meaning that comes to the table of 6, that comes to the table of 8 and that comes to the table of 4 also. Now how do you find it out? Look at this. 4, 6 and 8. All the denominators I have listed them here. How do I find out LCM? Yes. Remember now? Okay.
don't know the answer.
Okay, that is fine. So if I have these three numbers, I have to find out the LCM first. How? I pick up one small number that can divide most of them.
4.
No. 4 cannot divide 6. 4 can divide 8 and 4. But if I pick 2, I can divide 4, 6 and 8 as well. So I will use 2. 2 2s are 4. Done. 2 3s are 6. Done. 2 4s are 8. Done. Now find out this again, the next smallest number that can divide one or more of them. I can again use 2. 2 1 are 2. 3 doesn't come in the table of 2, so I will leave 3 as 3. 2 2 are 4. Now I will take the next smallest number other than 1. I will use 2. 1 remains 1. 3 doesn't come in the table of 2, so 8 remains 3. And 2 1 are 2. So now what I have is 1, 3 and 1. Riyans, can you follow me? New Riyans, old Riyans, both the Riyans? Yeah? Serena with me? You got the answer for it already? Did you get the answer for this one already? Did you find the answer for this one? 2 by 6 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 already?
I left from my
Okay. Yeah, you can do it. If you know how to do it, you can do it. For the kids who are not sure about it, I'm doing it one more time for them. So, I have 4, 6 and 8 as denominator. I'm trying to find out the LCM, meaning the smallest number that can be divided by 4, 6 and 8 all. So, this is how you do it. You pick up the smallest number that can divide one or more of them. I picked up 2. Always pick the smallest possible number, 2 or 3 or 4. Don't pick a bigger number, okay? 1 except 1. So now 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. I wrote that. Then I went again. I picked another 2 here. 2 1 are 2, 3 doesn't come in the table of 2. I left it. 2 2 are 4. I wrote it here. Now here this became 1, 3 and 2. So except 1, the next smallest number is 2. So I pick 2 again. 1 remains 1, 3 remains 3, 2 1 are 2. So I have 1 3 1. Now I have to pick up the smallest number apart from 1, which is 3. 1 remains 1, 3 1 are 3, 1. Now once I have 1 at the bottom, I'm done. I can stop now. And then stop now. Then multiply this number. This and this. All the numbers you have. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 3 are 24. My LCM is 24. Now if you want to check, you will see that 6 times 4 24, 8 times 3 24, 4 times 6 24. So 24 can be divided by all the 3. Yes, Serena.
Is the answer 5 over 24?
We'll see. So everybody has, whoever knew how to do it, they have done it. So like you did. Now I'm doing it for the kids who are not clear about it. So then you can check. So first thing we did was, we found out the LCM, meaning the smallest number that can be divided by 6, 8 and 4. That is what is called LCM. Okay? Riyans, is that clear?
What if all the denominators are prime numbers?
I'm sorry?
What if all the denominators are prime numbers?
Let's take the situation 3, 5 and 7. Okay? All are prime numbers.
Yes, sir.
What will be my LCM? I will pick the smallest number. Same approach. I am not changing myself. Smallest number that can divide one or more of them. Smallest number here I can think of is 3. 3 1 are 3. 5 doesn't come in the table of 3. 7 doesn't come in the table of 3. Yeah. Go ahead.
I was just saying all the numbers did not come.
Yeah. Now, next smallest number that I can divide with is 5 except 1. 5 1 are 5. 5 7 doesn't come in the table of. Next one I have no other choice but to use 7. 1 remains 1, 1 remains 1, 7 1 is 7. I got to a point where I wanted to be. What I have to do, multiply them all. 3 5 are 15, 7 are 105. That is my LCM. And you had a very valid point, Sami, that if my numbers are prime numbers, you can simply multiply them. That will be your LCM. But even if you don't want to remember that is a separate concept, you will just do it the same way actually. Yeah?
Okay, sir.
So, Riyans, Rudraj and Riyaz and also Aditi. Since Aditi said that I don't remember, that's what I'm saying, sir. Mandeep, are you clear with that? Mandeep, are you clear so far? Okay. So basically when I have fractions to add or subtract, what I have to do is take all the denominators and find out the LCM. LCM is nothing but lowest common multiplier. Yep. Is that okay, Riyaz? Riyaz in yellow? Yeah?
Yes.
Now, I'm giving you guys one trump card. Not the Donald Trump card, okay? The trump card. The magic wand. What I'm saying is, if you forget how to find out LCM, okay? Don't even worry about it. Just multiply these numbers. Okay? So if you forgot how to calculate LCM, you just multiply them all and find out the value. Okay?
We can say 24.
No, you will not. 6 4 is 24 times 8. So we can simplify it later, that's what I'm saying. Just that your calculation will become more bulky, will become a little complicated. But if you totally forgot what is LCM or how to calculate LCM, at least you can continue. Right?
Yeah.
So we learned how to find out the LCM. Okay? So our LCM was 24. What I will do? I will write 24. Riyans with me? Both the Riyans, yellow and blue. Aditya, football after 4, after 5. So I got my LCM as 24. Now I have to pick the numbers one by one. Pick this one first. It's very simple, okay? You found out the LCM, now you pick the first number. Then you pick the second number. Then you pick the third number. Right? Let's say if I'm teaching in the class, how will I teach? I'll say, okay, I taught Riyaz, both the Riyaz, I taught Ananya and Aditya, I taught Rudraksh, I taught Sohina, Nehit, Aditi, Shivakesava, Sami, and Mandi. And then I get a confidence that, okay, fine, I have taken care of all the things. Right? Similarly, I have 3 numbers to add or subtract. I am doing one by one. First I found the LCM, now I am going to the first guy. Now look at this, 6. 6 and 24. How many times of 6 is 24? Nate. How many times of 6 is 24? 4. It's okay. Now, so 4 times of 6 is 24. So you wrote 4. And multiply that with what you have in the numerator.
2.
Put it here. Bracket closed. One number done. Okay? Now you have a plus sign here. Put a plus sign. So this and this are done. Now I'm going to this guy. Again, I'll start a bracket so that I don't get confused. Now look at this number. 8. How many times of 8 is 24? 3. You have not memorized the table of 8. That's okay. Or if you remember the table of 3, 3 times 8, 3 is 24. So 3 times of 8 is 24. You wrote 3. And then you multiplied that with what you had in the numerator. Done. Okay? Now, this number done, plus sign you take to care, this also to care. Then you have minus sign. Put a minus sign here. And put a bracket again. Now you are on the last number. How many times of 4 is 24?
How much is 4 is 24?
6. Yeah. How many times of 4 is 64? 24.
20.
4 6 are 24. So 4 6 are 24. And then what you have in the numerator? 1. So now look at this. I have 24 here in the denominator. 4 times 2 is how much?
4 times 2? 4 times 2?
8. So pay attention to what I am doing, okay? So that you can answer it quickly. Otherwise, if you are lost in your thoughts, it might take longer for you. Then I have a plus sign, I put a plus. Then 3 times 1 is how much? 3. Then I have a minus sign. 6 times 1 is how much?
6.
So what do I have now? 8 plus 3 minus 6. So in the denominator I have 24. 8 plus 3 is how much? 8 plus 3 12. 11. I'll give you $8 and then I'll give you $3 more and I'll ask you to give me 12. Okay? That's okay? So see, that is why we are learning. Why we are learning math? Because we want to be a better human being. We want to make sure that nobody takes our money away. Nobody does a wrong calculation and cheats us. Right? That's why we are learning math.
5
So,
over 24.
so 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. 24 remains 24.
Yeah, I got it.
So, if you look at the sequence of events, Riyan, Sami, Rudraksh, Nehit, everybody here, Aditi, and everybody keep your videos on because I feel that you guys are ignoring me. Don't do that. Again, here. So what did we do? We had some fractions to add and one to subtract. I don't really have to worry about addition or subtraction. Both work the same way. Okay. So my approach for solving it remains the same. Tomorrow if somebody says, okay, 6 by 9 also, don't have to worry. How many plus, how many minus I have, I can just take care of it. So what did we do first? We looked at the denominator, found out the LCM. My LCM came as 24, which I wrote here. After I wrote the LCM here, then I'm picking number one by one and doing the things. I picked this one, now 6. How many times of 6 is 24? 4. I wrote 4. And just to not get confused, I put that in the bracket. 6 times 4 is 24, I wrote 4. And then what I have in the numerator, I multiply with that. And this one is, first number is done, I'm closing the bracket. Then I had a plus sign, I put a plus. Then I'm starting the second number. How many times of 8 is 24? 3. I wrote 3. Multiply that with the numerator, 1. This is done. Bracket closed. Right? When you go to sleep, what do? You close the door. That I'm done for the day. Closing the door. These brackets are helping you do the same thing. I'm done with this number. Close the door. Yeah? Then I have a minus sign. I put a minus. Same thing here. How many times of 4 is 24? 6. And then what is my numerator? 1. Now 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 6 times 1 is 6. 8 plus 3 minus 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. Minus 6 is 6. So that became 11 minus 6 became 5 by 24.
Can you do it now?
I'm sorry?
Yeah, we did it.
100%. Make sure that you take off your sleeper, okay?
Okay.
So now, a question to Sami, Rudraksh, Rayans.
Yeah.
You come back from restroom, then we'll talk. Otherwise, Rudraksh will do the fraction addition in the restroom itself. Okay? Okay, Rayans, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Sami is clear. Rayans in yellow. Clear. Rayans in blue. Clear. Ananya, flying bubbles. Clear.
Clear.
Okay. Alright. Nate, clear. What was your answer? Remember, you got 3 by 1 by 3. But what is my answer? Were you able to figure out why there was a difference between my answer and your answer? Where did you go wrong? I'm sorry? Little louder. You thought? No, say that again. I am not able to hear you. Your voice is very feeble. Little louder to me. You thought? Oh, okay. LCM part. Okay. No, so I want you guys to be very clear when you say something, okay? Because when you speak, you don't have to shout at me, you don't have to scold me, but you still have to be loud enough so that you are heard, okay? Yep. Yep. Because what happens, even if you know everything and you don't say it clearly, people will think that you don't know. And that is not a good thing, okay? Even you know it, say it loud and clear. Yes, Aditi. Are you clear now?
Like, there were, I just left the call because there was an internet issue, sir.
Okay, that's fine. That's okay. But Did everybody understand now? Riyaz in blue. Are you clear about how to calculate LCM? How to find out the sum or addition? How to do addition or subtraction of fractions? Are you clear now?
I'm going to.
I'm sorry?
I'm going to.
You are more clear now. Now, Rudraj, are you clear?
What?
Are you clear about what we did? So tomorrow somebody gives you fraction, addition or subtraction. Would you be able to do it?
Yes.
Without any stress?
No.
With more fun? Yes. That's what I want. Now, am I a good teacher or a bad teacher?
Yes.
I'm a bad teacher because I want to give you guys difficult problems. And still I want you to solve it in an easier way. Now, I taught you guys how to do fraction, addition or subtraction. That is a prize for me. So this one. No. Okay. Now, I want you guys to can you guys do it? 3 1 by 2 plus 6 by 9 plus 1 by 6. I want you guys to try solving it. 3 1 by 2 plus 6 by 9 plus 1 by 6. We'll just try it. Nate, you also try it. I want you guys to do it. Going right or wrong is fine. That will take care. Mandeep, are you trying? Mandeep, are you trying? Or are you crying after seeing the problem? Crying? No need to cry, you have to just try. Is that for me? Oh, okay. To me it looked like Suhina has some candies in her hand. So I was asking, is that for me? Your notebook looks like, no, it was looking like you have some candy or chips there. Okay. Alright. Shyamli, are you trying with her?
Yeah.
Okay. So, only you have to try, don't cry. 3 1 by 2 plus 6 by 9 plus 1 by 6. Sammy, are you trying with her?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have fun. I will go on mute for next couple of minutes. Yes, Shyamli.
Sir, after you do the LCM, do you, try to see if like the numerators see what equals the LCM?
No, so see, only one thing I can tell you guys, that nothing changes. Be it like a mixed number, be it like a simple fraction, be it a regular natural number, the whole approach remains the same. Only thing you have to remember, who is my best friend? Who is my best friend? Fraction. So first thing you have to do is convert everything to fraction and then do it. And I'm assuming that you guys remember how to convert a mixed number to a fraction.
I do use math.
Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it, dude. Yaditi.
14, 17.
14, 17. Okay. Yes, yes, Suhina, you're saying something. No? Ananya, tell me.
I got 14, 17 too.
14, 17. I have bad news for some of you. Whoever got 14 by 17, review your answer. There is a chance that this is not the right answer.
14 over 26.
I'm sorry? See, again, I'm not trying to say you're right or wrong. It's a practice. Every time you solve a problem, if you are able to solve it quickly, that means you have more time to review your answer, okay? Because we are all human beings, we can go wrong. Make sure that you review. And if you, after review, you find that your answer was right, you can argue with me saying, sir, no, my answer was 100% correct, and prove me wrong. Okay? Yep, yeah, Riyans in blue. Tell me.
14 over 18.
One more time.
14 over 18.
14 over 18. 1 4. Did you say 1 4? 14 over 18.
14 over 36.
14 over 36. Where is the answer? In your head?
Yeah.
In your head, how do I go inside your skull to see the answer? Do it. Yep, sure, case work. Tell me. Little louder. 14 over 18. Okay. Sami. Srina.
So I do that.
Yep.
I put 14 over 18 I got 14 over 36.
14 over 36. Where? I am not a doctor who can open your skull and see inside.
It's right here.
Here?
It's less.
Yeah. How much is the answer? 14 by 18. Okay. I am very sad to inform you all that everybody got wrong answer.
Me?
Everybody. And I will tell you why. See, without solving the problem, I am telling this. You know why? Because 14 over 18, when you look at it. Now it's my turn, okay? Don't try doing it now. 14 over 18 is a number less than 1. Sure? Do you guys agree? 14 over 18 is a number less than 1.
Yes.
Okay? Now look at this.
Yes,
This
sir.
is 3 1 by 2, meaning 3 whole number and then a half. I am adding 3 1 and a half, 3 and a half plus 6 by 9 plus 1 by 6. So my number has to be more than 3 for sure. 3 plus half plus something. It cannot go down. It has to be more than 3. 14 by 17 or 14 by 18. No matter how much effort you put, you cannot make it more than 3. It is less than 1. Do you guys agree? 14 by 17 or 14 by 18 is less than 1 for sure, right? So that would be your first review. Whenever you look at your answer, let's say you solve something and you got answer, this should ring the bell for you. No, it cannot be 14 by 18 because 14 by 18 means I'm talking about something which is less than 1. I have more than 3 here and then I'm adding something to this, I'm adding something to this. Look at a real-time scenario. I'm talking about 3 1 by 2 meaning if you look at it in dollars, $3.50 plus maybe 60 cents. So this becomes 4 plus something plus 1 6 maybe 15 cents. $3.50 plus 60 cents plus 15 cents. It cannot become less than $1. Right? Advik, Arav, you guys have joined little early. So now with whatever I said, does it make sense to you guys or not?
I don't
Sammy,
know. It does, sir.
Sammy, do you agree?
I said it so
Shiva Kesava, how about you? Do you think I'm making some sense here?
Yes, sir.
Unfortunately, you cannot say no. Okay. Okay. Yes, Reena.
Is the answer
14 by 18. That is what I have been debating. I am saying that this cannot be the answer. Because 14 by 18 is what? Less than 1?
What about 14 by 26?
Yeah. So now I request everybody to leave this. Don't try solving it now. Okay? Let me finish it.
Something, but is it 14 by 26?
No. 14 by 26 is even a smaller number.
36.
26. 14 by 26 is also a smaller number. You are dividing 4.
I said 36.
Whatever it be, if your numerator is small, denominator is big, that means you are talking about a number less than 1. If I have 1 by 2, it is less than 1. 1 by 8, less than 1. 2 by 5, less than 1. 2 apples divided among 5 kids. Everybody gets less than an apple. 14 apples divided among 26 kids. Everybody gets less than an apple. Yeah? Now all that talking is done. Time to solve this problem. So now, as I say, fraction is my best friend. I'll convert everything to fraction. Because we are doing fraction addition only, right? 3 1 by 2, mad. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Plus 6 by 9. Plus 1 by 6. Yeah? Yes, Reena, saying something? Did you change your answer?
Yes, sir.
How much it is?
Is it 46 by 18?
Maybe. And see, at least your answer doesn't ring the bell for me. It doesn't make me believe that you are wrong. Now that's what I'm calculating right now. So now, same thing, 2, 9 and 6, I have to do LCM of that. 2, 9 and 6. Riyans in yellow, are you with me? Yes, Yanvi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Riyans, you saw what happened here, right? You are able to follow what I'm saying? Okay. Now here, now first thing was I had mixed number, fraction and a fraction. Who is my best friend? Fraction is my best friend. So I converted everything to fraction. I used math for converting this two mixed number to fraction. 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. I have all fractions now. So 2, 9 and 6 are my denominators. So I will do LCM. 2 1 are 2, 9 doesn't come in the table of 2, 2 3 are 6. Now the smallest number I can pick up is 3. 1 remains 1, 3 3 are 9, 3 1 are 1. Then next number is 3. 1, 3 1 are 3, 1. I got what I wanted. 2 3 3. 2 3 are 6, 3 are 18. My LCM is 18. I found my LCM as 18. What will I do? Take the first number. Start with the bracket. How many times are 2 is 18? 9.
9.
Multiplied by 7. Close the bracket. First number done. Plus. Start the bracket.
2 times 6.
Okay. 9 to 18. Multiplied by numerator. Then a plus sign.
2
Yeah.
times 1.
So 6 times 3 is 18. Multiply that with the numerator. Yeah. Now 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 7 is 63. Plus 2 times 6 is 12.
12.
Plus 3 times 1 is 3. 63 plus 12, 75 plus 3, 78 by 18.
78 divided by 18.
Yep. Did I teach anything new? No. I just kind of forced you guys to follow the same approach step by step. If you see fractions and non-fractions, convert everything to fraction first. And then same approach. Find out the LCM of the denominators, then pick the first number, multiply it, then put the sign. So be it fraction addition or subtraction, this is how we do it. Are you guys clear or there is some doubt?
Yes, sir.
Sami, are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
100% Riyans? You guys don't sound convincing. When I say, are you clear? If you are clear, you say, yes sir. That is conviction.
Yes, sir.
That is the confidence I want to hear. Yeah? And if I don't hear that confidence coming from you guys, you know what will happen? I'll get few more gray hairs. Yeah? Alright. So, we will do fractions, multiplication, division tomorrow. It should not take more than 15-20 minutes. We'll do some of them and then we'll go on to the next topic. If any of you have any topic, see again, some of you might be thinking that why I'm doing the same thing again and again. And the reason being, we need to. Because math is all about practice. There is nothing that you memorize, you practice. When you practice more, you minimize your chances of making mistakes.
You say to memorize tables.
Tables you have to memorize, that is non-negotiable. Because tables, now you will say, okay, somebody is asking me to memorize ABCD. So tables are like the ABCD of math. If you forget about A to Z, how will you write letters? Alright? So there are certain things that you have to remember. A is written this way. Whether you remember or whether you forget, A will remain this way only. It is in your interest to remember this. Yeah? With that being said, I will let you guys go.
Oh,
See you
really?
guys tomorrow at the same time.
This is possible. That's like 5 minutes.
Riyaz will go to take shower right now after the class because it's super hot and that's how it is summer. Yeah? I saw Riyaz lifting his t-shirt and I believe, oh, time for taking bath. It's super hot here. Yep. Alright, so see you guys tomorrow same time.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.